Hi boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Learn a Skill with me, where each week you get the opportunity to learn a new skill with me. I am your host, Jerron Morris, and today we'll be creating a balloon arrangement. You can use a balloon arrangement for birthday parties or graduations or any type of special event. Today we have Miss Jesselle Jordan to help us create such lovely decor.
Hi Jerron. Hello boys and girls. Today we'll be making this lovely balloon arrangement and I am so excited to be here, Jerron.
I am as well because I haven't done something like this before and this looks really cool. So I look forward to creating such a decor with you.
Okay, well let's get into it. So to make this arrangement, you will need 8 12-inch latex balloons, 5 5-inch latex balloons, 2 long balloons, 1 balloon pump, it can be manual or electric, 1 foil balloon, streamers of your choice, and a scissors.
All right, Miss Jordan, let's get started.
Sure, let's get into it. So boys and girls, to start, we are going to fill one of our 5-inch balloons with water. You may need mom or dad to help or a bigger brother or sister to assist you with doing this. Once it is filled, it would look like this, and this would be the weight for our balloon arrangement. Next step would be to inflate our balloons. We're going to start with our largest balloons first. So for this, I'm using pink balloons to be the bottom of my base. So you want both balloons to be of the same size, and we also want them to be more round. So to do this, while holding with one hand, you can press against your tummy just to give it a round shape. See the difference? So we're going to do it with the other one, holding the neck tightly so no air escapes. Then we're going to tie the two of them together, similar to how you tie your shoelace. We're going to make a knot. So over and across and pull, and then we repeat that step, across and pull, and there we have a knot. We're going to do this for the second tier of balloons. Right, now with the second tier, we want it to be a little bit smaller than the pink tier, right, and this would be in the middle. Now I'm using an electric pump, but you can also use a hand pump, and I would show you how. Again, press it closely to your tummy, make sure they're about the same size, and tie them together. Now don't be afraid when you're pressing it into your tummy, it's not going to pop, just don't press it too hard, okay? So I'm going to show you how to use the hand pump in case you don't have an electric pump. You're going to insert the nozzle into the neck of the balloon and give it 2 pumps for the small one. And this is going to be the last tier in our base. I'm going to knot it and then do the second one. And then tie them together. So for your base, you will need 4 balloons, 2 by 2. And we're going to combine it from big to small, right? So for this step, what you're going to do is combine both balloons where they join and wrap them together. Make sure that they're intertwined, and you want to do it like about 3 times to make sure it's secure, and you're going to have a cord, right? So that's not going to move from there. So the next step would be to attach our weight, right? This would give your arrangement some stability, and I'll show you after a little trick. So again, we're going to tie it the same way we would have tied all the balloons together, over and across, like you would make a knot with your shoelace to secure the balloon. And this is what it should look like. Right? Then you're going to put the weight side down. So as you can see, we have our first tier done. We're going to move on to our second tier. Again, 4 balloons, same size, slightly smaller than the first tier. We're going to again intertwine these two to secure them in place. So you can wrap them together about 3 times and they would stay in place. Now for this step, to attach this tier to this tier, you can either use a long balloon, right? You can cut it in half, or you can use the entire piece. I'm just going to cut mine in half to show you. You're going to attach it to the bottom. We're going to put the other balloon down. Now notice I'm putting them where the spaces are. So this balloon is going to be where this space is, just so that it rests flat. You're going to pull the long balloon through and tie a knot to secure it together. Right? And there we have it. 2 tiers completed. Again, we're going to do the same thing with the smallest size of balloons. Intertwine them. Wrap them together about 3 times should be fine. Now, if you don't have long balloons for this, you can also use the neck of this balloon. So you see this extension here. This is what we call the neck of the balloon. And you can look for the neck of the balloon in the arrangement, which would be this part here. And you can tie them together as well. That is if you do not have a long balloon. And again, tie it with a knot. This is a little bit more tricky, but if you don't have a long balloon, you can definitely try. And as you can see, it's secure. And that's it, guys. Our base is completed. The next step, we're going to inflate our foil balloon. And then I'm going to show you how to attach it. So using a hand pump, I prefer to use the hand pump because it allows you to control how much air you pump into the balloon. Now you want to be very careful with how much air you put in and how much you pump in, because if you go too fast or you put too much air, the balloon can pop. And we don't want that. So to attach your foil balloon, you're going to take another long balloon and I'm going to show you how to attach it to the neck of your foil balloon. So you're going to look for the halfway mark in your long balloon and put it down, and then fold the neck of the balloon, sort of wrapping the long balloon into the foil balloon. Now we're not going to go all the way up because we don't want to block or cause any air to seep out of the balloon. And then we're going to tie a knot here again. And you should have something that looks like this. So as you can see, you can already take this and tie it onto your base. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, now don't be afraid. I know some of you might be afraid that the balloon might pop. So we just have to kind of get the long balloon all the way down to the bottom. And then we are going to tie a knot to the bottom as well to secure the foil balloon to the top. Now the foil balloon, you can use another, you don't have to use a foil balloon. You can use another latex balloon. You can use any balloon of your choice at the top. You can use one that says happy birthday for birthdays, congratulations for graduation, these arrangements are perfect for any occasion. So as you can see, it's almost complete. Our final step would be to decorate our arrangement. And for this part, you can use your creativity. So you can either use streamers, and I'll show you how. We have pink, we have purple, and silver to match our arrangement. So I'm gonna take some streamers in the 3 colors. And we're just gonna attach them on here. And pull them down. Again, so we're gonna just put in some more. And then we're gonna curl our streamers using our scissors. Now be careful, because we don't want the scissors to touch the balloons. And we can curl our ribbons. We do the same thing on the next side. Right? So guys, this is our final arrangement. However, you can always do more to spruce up your arrangement or to make it more creative, right? So here I have some butterflies that we can stick all around just to decorate it. Now the creativity doesn't stop here. You can decorate yours to suit your occasion or even your personality. Butterflies we can stick here. You can use tape or glue dots. Alright, you can also use flowers. You may need tape to hold it in place. I have one here. I can just show you how it may look. And that's it.
Ms. Jordan, I had a lot of fun creating this balloon arrangement today. It's something I just learned, and I'm definitely going to utilize this in my next event.
I am so happy to hear that, Jerron, and I'm sure you boys and girls will be excited to create this as well, and I can't wait to see your creations.
Ms. Jordan, let's review the steps.
Sure, Jerron. Alright, so first of all, we are going to inflate our balloons to the different sizes that we would have gone over. You want to do large, medium, and small. Then we're going to inflate our foil balloon. Next step would be to tie the balloons together to form the base. Then we are going to attach the foil balloon to the base. After that, we are going to decorate our arrangement using whatever decorations you choose. And that's it.
So, Ms. Jordan, what are some of the careers kids can get into utilizing the skills learned here today?
Well, Jerron, they can get into quite a few careers. They can become a balloon artist, party coordinator, event decorator, or even an entrepreneur. So they can utilize their skills that we would have learned today and open their own business and sell balloon arrangements.
Kids, there are many other careers you can get into utilizing the skills learned here today. We want to see what you create, so let mom or dad take a photo or a video and send it to us via our social media platforms. Remember to also hit like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss another episode of Learn a Skill with me. I would like to thank Ms. Jordan for showing us how we create such lovely balloon arrangements.
Thank you, Jerron, and thank you all of you. I had a wonderful time, and I cannot wait to see what you all create.
Wonderful. So until another time on Learn a Skill with me, bye.
Bye. All right, everyone, and now for that trick. So, Jerron, I want you to hold the arrangement. You can hold it at the weight. And while balloons are fragile, this arrangement is also very sturdy. So I want you to turn it upside down, holding the weight. See?
Oh, holy wait.
Yeah, that's fine. See? So it's pretty sturdy. Now you can hold it up and drop it.
Wow.
Thanks for watching, guys.